Happy Monday, guys. Sonia here again. So I was thinking, in honor of awareness for cancer, I'm going to be doing a pink smoky eye. So think pink. And today I'm only going to be focusing completely on just the eyes. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with a base, which is the GirlsRockCosmetics shadow base for my eyes. And I'm going to go ahead and take my brush and just put it all over the eye. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and start off with a light base, more like a neutral base. And I'm going to go ahead and take out my binder, the Cappuccino eyeshadow, and I'm going to use it as a base for my lid. Okay, next I'm going to go in with a pink, and I'm also going to use this as a base. This is the Radiant Rose, and it's like a bright pink. I'm going to start that off as a base, and then we'll work our way with our transition color. So, I'm going to go ahead and bring that all around. It's going to look a little crazy at first, but I promise it will all be put together. Okay, next for my crease, I'm going to go in there with the lighter pink. It's going to be this one right here. It's really pretty pink. Rose. So it's more of like a lighter pink. And I'm going to use these two colors, the rose and the base color, to kind of start blending. So I'm going to use this as a crease. Okay, next I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to apply concealer towards my lid. That way I can go ahead and apply that next color, and that'll be a glitter. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the concealer. And if you all are wondering why I'm applying concealer on my lid, it's because I find it more efficient for the lid color to pop versus just applying product on my face. For the color on my lid, I was thinking of applying this really pretty rose gold color. It's All the Rage Rose Metallic eyeshadow. My fingers went through it, so sorry. And I'm going to go in there with the first pink that we did. We use all over the base just to kind of blend over. And cover those like areas where the concealer shows. So next, to smoke out the outer corners of my eyes, I'm going to use the Eclipse eyeshadow, and that'll be to smoke out the outer corners of my lid. How's it looking? Kind of matches the wall, right? I'm just going to go in there and kind of just keep blending, especially when you use a black color on your eyelid. You want to make sure that everything is nicely blended. For the highlight above my eyebrow, or below my eyebrow, I'm going to use a lighter color on my, as a highlight, so it'll be this white one right here. It's the girl's best friend. I'm just going to put a little bit below the brow. Go ahead and do the eyeliner, so it's going to be the Magic Stylo in black. So now that the eyeliner's done, the eyes are done, I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on. Today I'm going to use the full mink. These are like my favorite. And then once I put my lashes on, I will show you all the final look. Alright guys, so this is the look. See how my eyelashes are like amazing. Alright, so this is it. I wish you all a happy October, happy Monday. Those of you fighting for cancer, fight strong, believe strong. This is for you guys. Till next time.